So Sean, we're putting in the front torque box in this car right here that we've been working on. I did the rear ones yesterday, and these are a little bit more difficult. All right, up here. A couple screws. There's one at the bottom here too. I put one more screw in there. Get a little bit tighter. Pull them back here too. Looks pretty good. One more screw back here. All right. This bracer was pretty banged up. I think we're good. I'm gonna call it good. Looks pretty good. Let's throw a couple tacks up here. Tip's dirty. I cleaned the tip. Take the screws out. Weld those holes up. All right. Let's see if I can weld up this backside. I don't know if we're going to be able to or not, because the lip's in the way. No, I don't know if it's going to work. That's not good. No. There we go. All right. Got a little space up there. We got to tap that in. This and then drift. There we go. All right. Tip's dirty again. All right. Break time. See what happened? All that shit piles up inside the tip there. So you got to clean that out. As you can see, it's thoroughly welded, which is more than the factory ever did. And the other day I said this only came on big block cars, but the convertibles have them also. And it ties the rail into the rocker panel, across that little brace over there, and it ties up into the floor also. It gives you a lot more rigidity. As you can see, there's a bunch of broken spot welds. When I started working on this car, there's a good example of it right there. And up there also, where the top brace is, up in there. You get a better shot of it right there. You see it? You know. You get the idea.